Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to connect Onchain wallet to Pandra. So the first thing that you need to do is to install the Onchain wallet application. So head to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then just search for the Onchain wallet and then just download it and install. Once you're done, open the account and create a new wallet or import your existing one using your seed phrase. And then once you're done with that, go to the Panda login page. So open a browser and go to the Pandra website. So you will see a login page that asks for your email and password. So you just have to enter your on-chain wallet email. So in the email field, type the same email link to your on-chain wallet. And then just enter the password that you set up for the Pandra platform. So if you don't have an account yet, click the Genei Pass and Core de Compte. So this means that I don't have an account yet and follow the sign up steps using your on-chain wallet email. And then once you're logged in, your Pandra account will be automatically linked to your on-chain wallet. And then you can now interact with the Pandra features, including the NFT, mints, trades, and more. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!